Hello there guys, it's Naj here again and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I recently made some minor changes to my desk setup to give it a more kind of minimalistic look. Now before we do dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and to give this video a thumbs up if you love desk setups as much as I do. Honestly, this slight change in my desk setup is really refreshing. I feel like the desk is much more cleaner, less clustered, and there are less chunky bits on my desk. Now, if you are wondering, for the second display, I do use my iPad Pro, and if I don't need it, I can just put it away, and if I do need it, I can just place it next to my desk setup, and that's really convenient for me. So I don't really need the portable monitor right now, but I'll see how that changes in the future. Now, if you like what you saw or you have other suggestions, do drop those comments in the comment section below and I'll get back to you, and thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.